So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a castor oil pack on the breasts. So I'm wearing this old shirt and black shorts, okay? Make sure that you are wearing dark colors if you don't want to ruin your clothes. Okay, so let me turn my camera around and show you guys my setup. Oh, you are going to need to buy this castor oil. It's organic, cold pressed, non-GMO. This is a good one. I got this at Whole Foods. Okay, you make sure you use a good one. You don't want to use just any castor oil. You always want to make sure you're using a clean brand like this one. I'm also using this organic wool flannel I purchased from Whole Foods as well. And this brand is from Home Health. Okay, and I have castor oil already poured on each side. So you want to make sure you pour a lot of it, and then you want to wait about 20 minutes to let it seep in. So I got a pretty good amount on there, but I'm actually going to just put a little bit more. You want it to make sure it's like really saturated and it doesn't feel dry. Okay, so you're just going to massage that in the wool flannel. Make sure you get it all over the sides where you rub it in like that. Let it seep in. Because when you put it on, you want it to be wet like this, okay? You want to make sure it's not too dry. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then you'll need a scissor, and you will need to use this non-toxic plastic saran wrap that I purchased from Whole Foods. Make sure you use a good brand. And then, so now I'll show you guys how I put it on. Okay, so my castor oil pack is on, and this is what it looks like. Keep this on for about an hour. Now, if you want to use like a heating pad, some people do use that. I kind of don't really feel good about using that because it's electric. And if you're going to use it, you want to make sure to put a lot of towels on you before you place the heating pad over your breast. But I just keep this on. I do all my errands. I do everything I need to do. And then an hour and a half goes by and I take it off. Okay, so when you guys are done using your wool flannel, you want to make sure you store it in a glass mason jar that is sealed tight in the refrigerator, and it can be used up to 17 times. Okay, after that, you want to make sure you discard it and get a brand new one. But doing it this way will ensure that it is safe and fresh every time you use it. Using castor oil packs on the breast tissue is so beneficial. It helps to detoxify your lymphatic system. It gets everything moving. It helps shrink tumors, cysts, and this worked for many people. And I had some cysts on my right breast that I wanted to get rid of, and I definitely got rid of it using castor oil packs because I went to do my last ultrasound and they didn't see any cysts on my breast anymore. So I do this religiously about 2 times a week. And just make sure you're using all clean products when you are doing this. Castor oil packs have been used for centuries. People use them to detoxify their lymphatic system. Some people use them on their lower belly to shrink tumors and cysts, as well as their liver. So give it a try and see for yourself. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this video and if you've ever tried using castor oil packs. They are amazing, especially to help prevent breast cancer and keeping our breast tissue healthy. Let's share this video and spread the word. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.